In this step-by-step tutorial, we will show you how to create a PDF from scratch with Airtable Data using PDF.co and Zapier. We will use this sample table created in Airtable with sample data inside. Let's start by going to our Zapier dashboard and make a Zap. Next, search and select for Airtable from the list of trigger apps. Then, select New Record from the list of trigger events. Now, let's set up the trigger fields. For the base field, choose the base that you want to use. For table field, choose the table that you want to use. Now, let's add another app. Select PDF.co for the app event. Next, select Anything to PDF Converter from the list of APIs. Let's set up the Anything to PDF Converter configuration. For input type field, select raw HTML code. For input field, type in the HTML code together with the data from Airtable. This input field composes of time, first name, last name, email and phone that we created in Airtable. Our input is set, based on the selected input type that we created in Airtable. In the name field, set the name of your output PDF. You can now send a request to PDF.co to process the Anything PDF converter and make sure there are no errors in the setup. Excellent, the PDF.co successfully processed our request. You can copy and paste the URL to view the output. Here's the PDF that we successfully created from the scratch. For more tutorials, you may visit our YouTube channel or on our website. Thank you for watching.